This is the Teufelsberg in Grunwald, one of Berlin's most fascinating places. It is particularly interesting due to its character as a lost place, its authentic gallery for art and street art, and its historical significance. This historically rich hill, located in the west of Charlottenburg-Wilmersdorf, was once an airspace surveillance and listening station during the Cold War, where the Western Allies monitored the Eastern Bloc. Today, Teufelsberg has taken on a whole new meaning and has become a mecca for street art lovers from around the world. On Teufelsberg, you can find works by internationally known artists. In addition to the permanent artworks, there are constantly changing artworks and murals that reflect the diversity and dynamism of street art culture. These impressive murals and artworks tell stories, inspire, and captivate viewers. The location is truly unique and invites exploration. You can see murals and artworks in various sizes. Many of the artworks adorn the interior walls of the building complex's multiple floors. There are gigantic, impressive murals on the facades, and countless smaller artworks. The location also serves as an event space, providing a unique backdrop for events of all kinds. Refreshments are available on site, with an area to relax, rest, and enjoy a cool drink from the bar. Berlin's Teufelsberg is a fascinating blend of history and art. The creativity and energy of this place are unique. For more information and tickets, visit the official website at teufelsbergberlin.de.